Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chana. I make videos about gardening and cooking and everything in between. I'm a complete newbie at this, so forgive me. I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but my family and I are moving, and so yeah, we're moving in a couple of days, so I'm getting the garden ready for the next owners. Yesterday I did a little bit of weeding. Here's my cat. Yesterday I did a little bit of weeding. I had my little one with me. She was in the pram. I had to kind of cut it short, of course, so I did a bit of weeding around the trees. And today I need to do some mowing and get the rest of the garden ready. So yeah, I thought I would take you along. It's close to spring now. As you can see, there's a plum tree there that's starting to bud, but yeah, it's coming towards the end of winter and entering spring, so I'm really excited. The garden is looking okay. It's looking a little bit sparse here and there, but hopefully I'll tidy it up so the next owners can enjoy it. And yeah, I hope this inspires you and encourages you to get into the garden if you haven't. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. And yeah, it really supports my channel, so yeah, thank you so much and enjoy. So what do you do with all your grass clipping? Do you throw it away? Do you put it in the green bin? Let me know. I'm a organic gardener, so meaning I don't use any chemicals or sprays in my garden, so no weed killers in the grass. So I use my my grass clippings, I use it in my raised beds. So I take a whole bunch like this, and I'll show you right here. So some people would say that it's totally wrong, but this is what I've been doing for the past year. It's given me a lot of produce. This garden have given me a lot of produce. So in this raised bed, I would just pile my green manure, that's what it's called. I would put a lot of grass clipping. You know, sometimes you get this, but you can just pull it. It's fine, pull it out, no stress. But yeah, I would put my grass clipping in here. I've got lots of raised beds here, same with here. You know, the thing is, it's not very like neat, it's not super neat. Like this bed's not that great. Usually it's a bit nicer. Like this one's really nice. This raised bed. Oh, can you see it? No. This one. This one's nice. This one's not too bad. Here. This raised bed. Oh. chickens have been fertilizing this area. They've been jumping in and yeah, doing their little work here, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's not perfect. Excuse the dogs barking in the background, it's my neighbours. But yeah, it's not perfect, but you know, it's tidy. I think I might come back and, you know, do a bit more work before we leave, but you know, it's pretty tidy so far. That's what the rest of the thing looks like. The tamaralo looks a bit sad because of the frost. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for today in terms of the garden. I did some mowing and some whippersnipping around the edge. You saw me battling the lawnmower. We have an electric battery operated lawnmower, and the grass here doesn't seem to like it, but we make it work. So yeah, what else have we done today? We did a bit more weeding and mulching around the trees. What else? The garden looks a lot more tidy, and I'm pretty happy with it. I might come out and do a bit more general tidying up before we go, because we have a few more days. But yeah, let me know if you get out in the garden this weekend to prepare your garden for spring and summer, or if you're, you know, in another part of the world and you're getting your garden ready for autumn. Let me know, and yeah, have a beautiful weekend and catch you later. Alright, bye for now.